amplitude scale. Amplitude scaling means either you have to amplify the signal, or attenuate the signal. For example, it has an amplitude of 1. Suppose this is x of t. If we amplify this, its amplitude is increased to 2. This is called amplitude scale. This is y of t is scaled by 2 times. We can attenuate x of t, then we like this. So amplitude is reduced to 0.5. Amplitude is reduced. In that case, y of t is 0.5 times x of t. So either amplifying the amplitude or attenuating the amplitude is called the amplitude scaling. The case of digital signal will be like this. 1, 2, magnitude is 2. Sample instant 1, 2, sample instant 1 is 0.5. So if you 2 times amplification, it's order is 40. Here you will get 1. Here you will get 2. Here you will get 4, 0, 1. Y of n equal to 2 times x of n. Similarly, we can attenuate this. Then what you will get is at 0, you will get the magnitude of 0.5. At 1, 0.5 is 0.25. At 1, you will get 0.5 amplitude. At 2, you will get 1. So y of n in that case is equal to 0.5 times x of. So that's called amplitude scaling.